Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. I'm sorry, just as I was about to talk, I got an itch in my nose. I thought I was going to sneeze. Oh, anyway, woo, way to start the video. But hello, everyone. I'm Teresa with Critters Crochet, and it is Tuesday, December 9th, and it is day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas collab that I'm doing with Shannon at the Spoony Stitcher. And excuse me. Once you've watched my video this morning, make sure you head over to Shannon's channel and check out, I'll have her tagged. Make sure you go over and check out her channel and see what I sent her, because we sent each other a box of 12 gifts, and we're opening one gift a day for the first 12 days of December. So before I get into the gift though, y'all, the channel is at 2,263 subscribers. Whoa. So it's incredible, because every time I um, open up my YouTube and I go in and look, the numbers grow. Every time it's bigger number. I'm just so excited to see the growth on our channel that I can't stand it. So like I announced yesterday, I'm going to do a giveaway. We're going to do some prizes, and I'm putting something in the box for every 100 intervals that we reach. So we're at 2,263. So when we get to 2,300, I'll put something in. 2,400, 2,500, I'll put something in. Then I will draw a name at 2,500, and you will get the items that were put in so far. Then we'll start again. 2,600, 2,700, 2,800, 2,900, 3,000. And then I will draw another name for that group of from 25 to 3. So I'm just blown away. I'm so excited. The what I'm really excited about is January, when we get to start our crochet along. Y'all, my videos, I'm just going to tell you, I am so excited. My videos usually I've never had a video get more than 300 views. None of my videos. The video where I am talking about our subscriber crochet along has got almost 1,600 views. So I really think that this crochet along is going to go absolutely crazy. We are going to have so many people joining this crochet along. I really feel like it's just going to go nuts. And I'm so excited, because I cannot wait to see everybody's blanket that we're doing. Just to give another reminder of what we're doing for that crochet along. Where is my book? Here we go. I'm doing it in birthstone colors. Okay. You guys can do whatever colors you want, but I'm doing mine according to the birthstones. And you can go back and watch that video to see. I explain. I'll link it in the description box so you can watch it if you haven't. But I show you all the colors that I got to use. And somebody asked me this the other day, and I must have left it out of the video. But we're working on this out of this book, and I'm going to put numbers 1 through 60 in a little box, and I'm going to draw a number out, and we're going to make the square that corresponds to that number. Some of these squares have more than one color. We're not going to do that. Whatever color, whatever month it is, like January is garnet, so our square for January will be done in the garnet color. And so, but these are 6 by 6 squares, so we're going to make 4 of them, sew them together, and that will make a 12 by 12, because I want us to have a 12 by 12 square each month. And so you can do yours any color you want, or you can watch my video again and you can get the colors that match the birthstones of each month. So and I believe, since we're only doing 4 squares with each color, that one skein of yarn should be plenty. One skein of yarn should be plenty of yarn for you to do each month, because we're only making 4 squares. So I'm so excited. I can't wait. And I have another crochet along starting in January for my members only also. And in that one, we are going to make a blanket, but we're going to do, we're going to draw from a book, and we're going to select different stitches. And instead of squares, our members blanket, we're making a blanket with different stitches. And that's all I'm going to say, because you need to be a member to know what kind of stitches we're doing. I'm not going to reveal any of that because that's for my members. So if you would like to participate in the members only crochet along, I would love for you to become a member if you're able to, so that you can join in on that crochet along too. That one, you'll just have to become a member to get the details on, because that's special for my members. And I am working on some, I've been talking to a friend of mine who's been helping me with this, and I'm working on a really cool idea for my members that I want to start doing once a month with my members. And yeah, if you're a member of my channel, I'm going to be putting a video out after the holidays explaining all of that. So that's something fun and exciting coming up for my members. This Friday, since I'm telling you what's coming up, this Friday at 8 p.m. Central, 9 Eastern, Shannon, the Spoony Stitcher, and I will be going live. We do a film to fiber. For those of you who are new to the channel, we do, every so often, we do a film to fiber. And that's where we decide on a film, and we make something that that film inspired us to make. We don't tell each other what we're making. We go live after it for that month, and we go live and we reveal what we've made to you guys and to each other, because we don't tell, Shannon and I don't tell each other what we're making. So it's really fun. So this Friday, the 12th at 8 p.m. Central, 9 Eastern, will be Shannon and I's film to fiber, and we've learned how to connect our streams, so you can watch it on either my channel or Shannon's channel. It doesn't matter. So that's going to be fun. Tomorrow is Battle of the Stitches, and so if you're new to the channel and you do not know what Battle of the Stitches is, tune in tomorrow and you will find out what that's all about. So tomorrow is the second week of Battle of the Stitches, so I will be revealing to you all a little sneak peek, not the whole project, but I'll give you a sneak peek and see if you can guess what I'm making. So yeah, that's what's coming up. I'm so excited, so excited. So are you ready to get into the gift? All right. And I messed up yesterday. Shannon got me this cutest little pink bag right here. This little pink bag right here. And I forgot to flip the thing up. And what it said on the inside was, these were too cute. I know you love Paris themed items. And it was so cute. So sorry about that. I forgot to flip that one up. But here we go. Here is day 9. And it's squishy. So it could be yarn, but I don't know. All right, let's flip this over and get our clue. It says, a very happy unbirthday to you. Okay, you know what that reference is. They sang that song in Alice in Wonderland at the tea party. I wonder if it's tea. Ooh, I wonder if it's tea. Well, I don't know. Oh, what does this say? Forgive the wrapping. This was tricky to wrap. Okay, I forgive you. My wrapping isn't the best. So, hey, I'm not going to say a word. Where's my cutter? Need to cut through that tape. There we go. What is it? What is it? I don't know. I said tea, but I'm kind of second guessing that now. It's yarn. It's yarn, y'all. It's yarn. Yay! Oh, oh, I've never tried this yarn. It's by Yarn Art. It's Yarn Art Jeans, soft colors. Okay, I gotta take one. Look at this. I gotta take one out of the packaging so you can see this. This looks so pretty. Oh my. Sorry about the crinkles. Let me get that off of there. All right. It's a number 2 fine, 50 grams. 174.98 yards. So almost 175 yards. It's just got a number for the color. So I don't know what they call this, but look at this. Oh, look at all the pinks and purples. And there's 2 of them. Does it say anything on here? It just says Jeans Soft. That's all it says. Jeans Soft Colors is all it says. And number, like I said again, color number 6205. Huh. But it's soft. Ooh. Okay, I'm trying to. A very merry unbirthday to you. Maybe it was something she was going to send to me on my birthday and she forgot to send it. I don't know. But anyway, doesn't matter. These colors are gorgeous. So what is that? 175 times 2, 10, 15, 350, 350 yards. We will see what I make with that. So let's lift up the flap today and not forget it. Let's see what she says. Let's see. The second these were on the website, I knew I was getting them for you. Also, the yarn says Cheshire Cat to me. Oh, yes. Hello. That didn't even, yes, that is absolutely the Cheshire Cat. The pinks, the purples, and the white. Why didn't I think of that? I guess because I had on my brain Tea Party, because at the Mad Hatter's Tea Party, they sang Very Merry Unbirthday. And so I was trying to think what was at the tea party that looked like those colors. And did the Cheshire Cat show up at the tea party? I can't remember the Cheshire Cat showing. But Shannon, you're exactly right. That screams the Cheshire Cat. Screams it. You did it. That's great. Yay! I'm so excited. So I'm going to set this over here with my other goodies that I've got all lined up. Well, there we go. There's all my goodies from my friend Shannon right over here. All the stuff we've gotten so far. So, thank you, Shannon. That is awesome. So let's see. I'm going to tag someone in this video and I'm going to give you a recipe. So I want to today I want to tag Alana from Crocheting with Alana. I love watching her videos. She is so fun. She has tutorials. She has funny stories that happened to her and her husband, and her husband is a farmer. They have a farm, and there's some funny stuff, and she tells fun stories from that. They also like to go thrift shopping, antique shopping, and a lot of times she will have videos where she's found dolls at these antique shops, and she will make clothes for the dolls and just clean them up and makes these clothes for them that are so stinking cute. Her channel is just lots of fun. So if you have not subscribed to her, Crocheting with Alana, she is fun and you will enjoy her channel. So I wanted to shout her out today, and I'll have her channel linked in the description box. And then for our recipe for today, dump cake. Guys, you want a quick, you've been invited somewhere, or you just want a dessert that's really quick to put together for dinner, after dinner, and you don't want to spend a lot of time baking. This is the perfect cake. you get you a 9x13 pan, and you can spray it to grease it or put butter, just some, spray it or grease it some way. Then what you do is you pour in a can of pie filling. Doesn't matter what kind, cherry, blueberry, apple, whatever. Put your can of pie filling in there. Then you use either a box of white cake mix or yellow cake mix. Pour that over the top, and then you get 2 sticks of butter, slice them up, and put those slices of butter on the top. Put it in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. You want to keep it in there in the oven until all it's bubbly and the top crust, the cake mix and butter's melted, and the edges of it start turning a little bit brown and crisp up. Yum. And that's why they call it a dump cake. You just dump it in there and stick it in the oven. So that's my recipe for today, and it's yummy. It is really yummy. And you wouldn't think with just a dry cake mix on the top, you'd think it would come out all dry. No, the juices and everything from the canned fruit, canned pie filling softens up and makes that cake mix actually turn into like cake, and then the melted butter. So it's, oh, it's so good. So good. So that's my recipe for today. And I'm going to get off of here because I have some work to do. I've got some stuff I've got to do tomorrow, so I need to pre-record my video for Battle of the Stitches. And guys, I hope you will, if you like my content, I hope you will hit that like button. Leave a comment, because leaving a comment helps boost the algorithm so that my video gets pushed out more to more people. So please leave a comment, even if it's just a little emoji. Leave some kind of a comment and hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't. I would love to have you as a subscriber to join in on these fun crochet alongs that we're going to be doing this coming year. And if you are able to place membership, even better, because I have lots of fun stuff coming for members starting in 2026. So I'm going to get off of here. Lots to do. I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday, and I will see you tomorrow for Battle of the Stitches. And I'll get 2 videos tomorrow: Battle of the Stitches video and our day 10 for 12 days of Christmas. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.